This is Sifu True Master, and I'd like to briefly speak on a training manual that I wrote about 2 years ago that came to the attention to the FBI by means and ways that are still unknown to me. However, they did call me in and question me about my manual, which had very few illustrations and mostly was the mental aspect of training in Kung Fu. So I'd like to take this time to just read a few brief things that I had put in the manual, as I also let you view some action-packed classical Kung Fu. My training manual is a glimpse of my knowledge, understanding, and expertise of underground Kung Fu Zheng Zing Kwang. This style has its origin in northern Chinese Shaolin Kung Fu. Zheng Zing Kwang is basically translated as interchanging animal fists. The discipline that I mentioned in this training manual is known as Wang Asadullah Styles. Master Wang bestowed it upon me, and I have developed it over 40 years with my chi and personality. Thus, as a disciple, I have added my name behind the master. I make no egotistical claim of being a master. I am honored to be a long-term disciple. Unlike some present-day USA martial art experts, I am not seeking false recognition or fame, claiming invention of a new martial arts style. XXQ may be unknown to the masses, but it is not new at all. I am merely a trusted vessel of a Chinese treasure, and I take this opportunity to expose to the masses the dynamic reality of XXQ. In the world of Kung Fu, there are various concepts of unique and distinctive styles. The basic concept of XXQ is all natural Kung Fu is one continuous, universal flow of energy, changing forms, from yin to yang and from yang to yin. As the black leopard to the white tiger, the water snake to the desert dragon, the mountain crane to the Asian praying mantis, and the untouchable iron butterfly. There are 7 animal styles or nature forms in Wang Asadullah Zheng Zing Kwang Kung Fu. This enlightens us to the physics of Kung Fu, for as I shall make an effort to briefly explain as Kung Fu physics. The ancient masters understood the principles of so-called universal secrets of nature and earth science. This ancient knowledge and wisdom being the source of that which Sir Isaac Newton in 1600s and Albert Einstein in the early 1900s theorized and documented for Western civilization. Beyond the boundaries of time, distance, and place of the rise and fall of great civilizations of Africa and Asia, knowledge and understanding of physics was vast and profound, as well as applied to all aspects of life and branches of science, including health, medicine, astronomy, geography, and architecture, as well as martial arts and the development of weapons of all sorts. Physics, known as general relativity, is simply understood or understanding the laws of gravity. Within all styles of Kung Fu, gravity must be learned to be manipulated or controlled. With this achievement, gravity can then be lowered, centered, or raised in various forms of energy flow for applications of techniques of defense and offense. It was Sir Isaac Newton who claimed to have discovered gravity, which is a natural law of earth science in existence since the creation of Earth, Sun, Moon, and stars. However, Albert Einstein made the claim of being the first modern-day scientist to really understand gravity. Einstein calculated the Earth's gravity is maintained by speed, traveling 1,037 1/3 miles per hour, counterclockwise at a distance of 196,940,000 square miles away from the sun. Einstein believed it takes 8 minutes for the sun's rays to reach the Earth, and nothing travels faster than the speed of light. The masters of Zheng Zing Kwang believe the power of thought is faster than the speed of light. The fundamentals of physics are mastered in atoms, and atoms are made of neutrons and protons. The fundamental objective of Zheng Zing Kwang is to direct gravity to control matter. I repeat, it is direct gravity to control matter. To avoid the impact of injury, the Kung Fu artist must block, deflect, or evade the force of attack. To achieve this successfully, control of gravity is essential. In modern physics terminology, QM refers to the theory of quantum mechanics. This simply means to predict the chance of events. Nothing in reality is definite. Every cause has an effect. However, every effect is based on thousands of possibilities. QM is viewing reality at the essence, the unlimited possibility of atoms and transformation. Also, neutrons and protons being manipulated by gravity, light, time, distance, and space. The QM of Kung Fu physics is quality management. Fighting is like a chess game. You can use the same moves and strategy, but no game will ever be exactly the same as the previous one. This is an example of QM in combat, with form and technique. But you become formless and instinctive with every new encounter or confrontation. Quality of training with management of energy is the strongest possibility to claim victory over the most powerful and awesome enemies. The string theory, ST, of modern physics basically means the unification of everything in the universe. Understanding this within Kung Fu physics is clear in view of the nature of XXQ, simple, direct, and effective. Interchanging animal fist is a unification of 7 distinctive fighting forms and combat styles. ST in Kung Fu physics can be termed systems together, yin and yang and yang and yin. No pause, no interruptions, just continuous flow of unity, motion, forms, and styles. Alright, I'm going to conclude at this time. There are also other aspects of Kung Fu physics. If I find that there's an interest in my brothers that are connected to me on YouTube, I will continue this at another time. Thank you very much. Travel in peace, and as always, be aware and maintain that self-defense is the first law of nature. Peace.